And now, First Warn 5 weather with Chief Meteorologist Tim Smith.
Hey folks, another windy day across the valley, close to yesterday, but not quite. The good news is the wind's going to fade away tonight and shouldn't be much wind tomorrow at all. These are the current temperatures right now: 75 in Port Isabel, 74 in Harlingen. You move back to the west, 77, 79 McAllen and Rio Grande City. Our dew point up at 68, so we're definitely up on the high end of the muggy area now, kind of getting up into the really muggy stuff, although I don't think it's going to go up much more anytime soon. Watch Future Track temperature-wise. By the time you wake up tomorrow morning, your early morning tea time or whatever it is you're doing tomorrow, 8 o'clock, temperatures in the low 70s to start the day, and then we warm up. And I think tomorrow could be a very warm day, especially in the western two-thirds of the valley. Much of the area 90 plus. Wouldn't be surprised if we see some readings in the upper 90s in parts of Starr County, northern and western Hidalgo County as well. And then tomorrow night we don't cool off much. We bottom out around 70, 69 once again. And during the daytime Sunday, almost as hot, but probably not quite. We might be a degree or two cooler on Sunday. Going to Monday, again, we start around 70, and by afternoon, back in the upper 80s and low 90s once again. So some very warm days ahead. The average for this time of year is 82. We hit that by noon generally, up to 94 tomorrow, then a couple of 90s for Sunday and Monday. And it can really get hot this time of year. Look at Sunday and Monday's records, 102 and 105. So we're not going to get there, but we will be warm. Old front kind of falling apart as it moves across the area tonight and tomorrow. Still sunshine, but a very hot day. Wind flow will be out of the southwest, very light tomorrow. By Sunday, that wind's back out of the southeast again, so that brings more moisture back in, but still we're able to get quite warm with breezy conditions on Sunday. Monday, another front kind of sneaks by. Some of the models hint that maybe a sprinkle, but at this point we don't think that's going to happen. Likely to stay dry on Monday. Bigger picture, big thunderstorms moving out of Texas tonight, some of them in the Houston area. The actual upper air storms back here, the front kind of lagging behind. The front will push on through. Again, for us, it just falls apart, and that's the end of that. So we're actually warmer tomorrow, still very warm on Sunday, still very warm and likely still dry on Monday. Another front about Wednesday. Looks like it could be strong enough to maybe trigger a couple of showers, but still not cool us off much. Hey, it is the weekend. If you're headed to the beach in the morning, it'll start about 79 degrees there. Wind's not as strong as today, only 10 to 15, 16 out of the southeast most of the day. Your UV's extreme, current risk is moderate. The surf temperature is 73. There are the tides. Seas 3 to 5 feet with a moderate chop on the bay. So 67 tonight under partly cloudy skies. More clouds later than now. Winds diminishing 5 to 15. Then tomorrow, not much wind at all. Mostly sunny and a hot afternoon. Your high tomorrow around 94. 94, then a couple of 90s, and then next week we hold 90, give or take 3 or 4 degrees. Doesn't change a whole lot. Some slightly drier air comes in courtesy of a front on Thursday, but notice it still stays very warm. Slight chance of a shower on Wednesday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Joel?